Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. Please like and subscribe my channel. And from which country you are watching my video, you'll comment. Okay, thank you for watching my videos and all the best. Get success in life. Okay, we have to write down enol form of ethyl acetoacetate. It is a keto ester. Okay, and we have to find sigma and pi bonds are in this compound. So I have written CH3CO. This is aceto group. CH2 COO COO O CH2 CH3. This is whole ester group. Okay, so this is ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, now structure you have written, then you see that there is methylene group between these two carbonyl group. So this methylene group is highly acidic in nature, and because of this one hydrogen will move towards this oxygen and double bond move towards this carbon, between this carbon and this carbon. So this is the structure we'll get: CH3 C double bond CH, and rest of the structure will remain as such. Okay, and this enol is obtained. This is called enol. Now there will be hydrogen bonding between this oxygen and hydrogen, and there will be hydrogen bonding. So there will be conjugation as well as intramolecular hydrogen bonding, which will make this enolic ester more stable. We can call it enolic ester. Okay, that was keto ester. Now it is enolic form, so I am calling it enolic ester, so that it will be fixed in your mind. Now find number of sigma and pi bonds in enol form. So I opened everything. Now 3 carbon here, carbon hydrogen bond, 1 this, 3 and 1 4, and 5 here, 5 plus 4 9. So 9 carbon hydrogen bond, sigma bond, and carbon 1 carbon 2 carbon carbon bond, and 3 carbon bond, 4. So 4 carbon sigma bond. And now we will search about carbon oxygen bond. So 1 this carbon oxygen bond, 1 this, 1 2, this 3, and this 4 carbon oxygen bond, and 1 OH bond. So total 18 sigma and 2 pi bonds are there in enol form. And similarly in keto form, if we'll see, there's here 3 carbon hydrogen, 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10 carbon hydrogen bond sigma bond, and 4 carbon bond, 4 carbon oxygen sigma bond. You search it. Okay, 1 carbon oxygen, 2 carbon oxygen, 3 and 4 carbon oxygen bond. Total 18 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. So you can see that whether it is keto form or enol form, number of pi bonds remain the same, 18 sigma and 2 pi bonds. All the best. Okay, is that point all clear to you? Get success, my child, and subscribe my channel, please. Thank you. God bless you. All the best.